Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You should start by confirming you have global admin or SharePoint admin rights. This is required to reach the Admin Center. Once confirmed, open your browser and sign into the Microsoft 365 portal with your work or school account. Use MFA when prompted. Make sure you're in a secure network and not using a personal account. After signing in, locate the app launcher or the admin tile. These are the first actionable items that will get you into the admin workspace. Once signed in and in the Microsoft 365 admin portal, click the app launcher or the admin tile to open the admin console. In the left-hand menu, click Show All to expand admin centers, then choose SharePoint from the list. This navigates you to the SharePoint Admin Center. If you do not see SharePoint listed, make sure your account has the correct role and revisit the admin roles page. Alternatively, use the admin navigation search to type SharePoint and jump directly to it. You're now in the SharePoint Admin Center. Use the left-hand navigation to manage sites, policies, and more features. This is where you configure site creation, sharing, storage, and migration tools. Make changes cautiously and save. For bulk tasks, use the PowerShell links provided. If something goes wrong or you can't access the center, check your admin role first, clear browser cache, or try an incognito window. And make sure conditional access policies aren't blocking your sign-in before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.